Today, I'll show you how to host a website on Cloudflare for free. For this tutorial, we'll use Cloudflare Pages, which lets you host static websites for free. This is a good option for landing pages, portfolios, documentation, blogs, and simple HTML websites. First, log into your Cloudflare account. From the Cloudflare dashboard, go to the left side menu and open Workers and Pages. Now select Pages, then click Create Application or Create a Project, depending on what your dashboard shows. Cloudflare gives you two common ways to publish a website. You can connect a GitHub or GitLab repository, or you can upload your website files directly. If your website files are already on GitHub or GitLab, choose Connect to Git. Select your Git provider, authorize Cloudflare, then choose the repository that contains your website. Next, configure the build settings. If your website is simple HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you usually do not need a build command. You can leave the build command empty and set the output directory to the folder where your website files are stored. For many basic websites, this is simply the root folder, or a folder called public. If your project uses a framework, like React, Vue, Next.js, or Astro, Cloudflare may detect the settings automatically. If not, enter the correct build command, such as npm run build, and set the output directory, such as dist or build. After checking the settings, click Save and Deploy. Cloudflare will now build and publish your website. When the deployment finishes, Cloudflare will give you a free Pages domain, usually ending with pages.dev. Open that link in your browser to test your website. If the website loads correctly, your free hosting is working. Now, if you want to use your own custom domain, go back to your Pages project. Open Custom Domains, then click Set up a custom domain. Enter your domain name, for example, yourdomain.com. If your domain is already managed by Cloudflare, the required DNS records can be added automatically. Confirm the changes and wait a few moments for Cloudflare to activate the domain. Cloudflare also provides free SSL automatically, so your website can load securely using HTTPS. After the custom domain is active, open your browser and visit your domain. If the site loads with a secure padlock icon, everything is set up correctly. And that's it. You've successfully hosted a website on Cloudflare for free. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.